Here's the latest update from our recent bowling activity. Students gathered at the bowling center for a day, filled with excitement, friendly competition, and teamwork. Energy remained high as players encouraged one another and showed great sportsmanship throughout the games. Beyond the scores, the event strengthened friendships and boosted students' confidence. Overall, the bowling event was a huge success, leaving everyone with smiles and unforgettable memories. Did you have fun today's bowling event?
Yes, I have fun.
Yes, because I'm the best player in JIC.
Yeah, because I win number first time. Yeah, I'm always number 2.
Okay, thank you for enjoying. This is Leah for JIC Premium On Air.